Hey everyone, Owen Fox here. I just want to make a quick video to say how to clean your GI tract. Or if you have irritable bowel or Crohn's or inflammation or acid reflux, or if you have almost anything wrong with you. The bottom line is that's all pretty much caused from toxins and acids. It's caused from a lack of circulation of your blood and capillaries to your cells, and acids and waste products and toxins from the environment, your skincare, your hair care, your toothpaste, your house, your carpet, your paint, your clothes, your food, your drink. It's caused from a buildup of toxins not evacuating and acids, which gnaws at and erodes at and damages the cells and creates itchiness, dryness, and eventually hardenings and lumps and cysts, polyps, fibroids, and tumors eventually, and even eventually then cancer at the end. Okay, so the simple way is you hear the word detox, which I'd recommend raw vegan diet, not raw cruciferous vegetables because they can be not very good to digest when they're raw. So sun-fired, Mother Earthly prepared, what they call raw living foods, vegan food, plant food. And that will eventually gradually clean out your body. And I recommend learning about the mucusless diet healing system by Arnold Ehret or Professor Spira. And subscribe to Gillian Berry and her channel, and Eli Martyr, and check out Orville Douglas on Facebook as well. They're all either fruitarians or raw foodists, and they interview long-term raw vegans who are like got supreme health. Another guy who's awesome is Lauren Lockman and Dr Morse. They're brilliant. So do that. Fruits, focus on fruits, maybe sprouted like little baby sunflower seeds, lentils, mung beans if you're interested in that. Soft, tender, leafy vegetables. Keep it reasonably simple, but if you're not keeping it simple, do intermittent fasting. Don't overeat or stuff yourself at night time. It's okay to have mixed recipes, especially in your transition. But I'd also recommend enemas. I know they're controversial. The thing is, I know they're unnatural, but the world we live in and for decades and generations has been very unnatural, especially these days. We're suffering a lot from extreme unnatural environment, foods, and bodies, and chemicals and toxins and drugs to get in our system. They're all around the place. So we want to facilitate circulation, which includes GI tract pooping circulation and lymphatic kidney circulation, and even sweating. Okay, and remember, breathing is the ultimate song. But just try your best with all of those things. And if you want any help, private message me for mental, emotional, physical, spiritual help and support, detox in a relationship, and personal healing and help. And I'd love to help you. Thanks a lot. Have a lovely day. Hey everyone, I get a lot of questions, and well, I don't really